Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at these adorable little succulents in their pots. I absolutely love these and I want to tell you why.
These adorable succulent plants have brought a little bit of light and joy to my kitchen. Look at the design on them. And you can see here, these are artificial succulent plants, but they don't look artificial. My mom came in my house and she was like, "Oh, your plants look so healthy." And I was like, "Mom, they're fake." But that's how they look. They look like they're real. They don't look fake at all. And they've got textured pots made out of clay. They're very pretty. They're very durable. They don't have a cheap look to them at all, which I was surprised. I love how tiny they are. They just sit here on my windowsill and just bring a little joy and soak up the sunshine, even though they're fake. I really love them. My guests love them as they come over. They compliment them on how they look and also the feel and the ambiance that they give my kitchen. Personally, I put them on the windowsill, but these would make a very cute centerpiece also.
So I absolutely love these little guys. They gave my window the little pick-me-up that I was looking for. I love how durable they are and how cute they are, but that's just my point of view.